Hi friends, I'm making this quick video to help you with Flipgrid. You're probably already familiar with Flipgrid from first grade, but if not, no worries, this video should be helpful. Okay, so in your assignments, if I ever want you to respond through Flipgrid, I'm gonna put a blue Flipgrid link like this, and I'll have the Flipgrid icon around it so you can find it easier. So below it, I have some reminders. Your Flipgrid student username is your first and last initial and your student ID number, which is also your lunch number. If you can't remember that, just go on to Skyward and it's your student access login. All right, let's get started. So you're gonna click on the Flipgrid link. Make sure you are on the right assignment, quick right response, Monday, August 31st. And today I'm gonna log in as one of our friends from our class so you can see what it looks like. So first initial, last initial, and login ID number. Also your lunch number. Then press go. Make sure your name is up here in the top right corner. So today we're gonna be Natalie. And then make sure you're on the right assignment, quick right response, Monday, August 31st. Read the directions. After you have written your response, please make a video of you reading your response. Then you're gonna go ahead and click record a response. A little video screen is going to pop up. Hello again. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to click your video right here to start recording your response. So I'm gonna click it. It's gonna count you down. And then you're just gonna go ahead and read and respond or whatever the assignment directions are, that's what you're gonna do. So you're making your video, la 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 la. Let's pretend that I messed up and I panicked and I don't like what I did. Just press stop right here, click redo. It's gonna say, are you sure you want to delete this clip? Yes, confirm. And then it lets you start over again. So now I'm ready, I've calmed down, I've prepared, I have my paper here to read off of. I'm gonna click go again. It's gonna count me down. I'm going to respond, make my video, do exactly what the expectations are. If I need my paper, I can read from my paper, and I like it. So I'm gonna click pause. And now I'm gonna go over to next. Down. Now this is the preview section. Video, do exactly what the expectations are. If I need my paper, I can read from my paper, and I like it. So I'm gonna down. Okay, so to respond. This is where you're reviewing your video. If you like your video and you think it's good, you can click next. But if you forgot to say one thing or maybe missed a couple things, you can actually come right here and add more to it. So I'm gonna click more. And now I'm gonna record again. It's gonna count me down. Oh, I forgot to mention this one thing. And then you can say whatever you need to. Pause it, click next. Down. I'm going to respond, make my video. And look, it has your first recording here and then the other part that you added. Now remember, that's only if you forgot something. If you were okay with your first video, you just click next. So now we're ready. And then the next part is taking a selfie for our board. So just pose, hi. And it takes a quick selfie. Click next. And now it's uploading your video. Make sure this is your name. You don't need to put anything here, and then you're gonna go ahead and submit it. So I'm not gonna submit it because this is not Natalie's video, but Natalie would normally submit it, and then it's gonna take her back to her home screen. Make sure when you are done, and then, oh, sorry, her video will show up down here. When you are done, always, always, always come up to your name and log out. All right, that is how you use Flipgrid.